Divisional Public School and Inter College, Lahore. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Dear student, we are going to start chapter number 2. Please move on to page number 19 of your book. The chapter is about cell division. You are familiar with the word cell. You can see here nucleus in the middle, cell membrane is the outer layer. This small structure was labeled as the basic unit of life when you were in the 6th class. When you look at these two diagrams, they are also obvious to you because you have seen last time in the name animal cell was introduced to you as well as the plant cell. Both are basic unit of life in case of plants as well as animals. Main parts of the cell are cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus in the middle. Dear student, it is our common observation that after a certain period of time, the plants start moving and growing upward. You can see in this animation that plants are growing day by day. The growth and development depends upon the division of the cells. As we are made up of cells, our body cells are dividing day by day. How the division takes place, this is the chapter about. Look at this animation. You can see that one cell is changing into two. Another cell is also changing into two. I mean 1 into 2, 2 into 4, 4 into 16 and 16 into 64. Cells are increasing their number day by day. Scientists have seen under the microscope how one cell changed into two. I am going to show you on the screen that a cell is going to divide into two. See this one? Yes, one cell changing into two with the passage of time. If a cell change into 2, 2 into 4, it is called division of the cell. Cells are dividing. As a result, their number is increasing. And what is the result of that? Growth and development in the plants as well as animals. Cell division. Cell division is a process by which cell divide into two daughter cells. The cell which divide is called parent cell. The cells which are produced as a result of cell division are called daughter cells. Cell division is of two types, which are called mitosis and meiosis. First of all, we start with the mitosis. Mitosis is a process by which parent cell divide into two daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes as in the parent cell. The number of chromosomes is doubled during interphase. Two sets of chromosomes are formed during mitosis. When the nucleus of parent cell divides, the two sets of chromosomes are distributed equally into the daughter nuclei. After nuclear division, a shallow groove arises in the middle of the cytoplasm, which deepens further and divides the cell into two daughter cells, each having a nucleus. Mitosis is shown here. The first stage is interphase. The second stage is nuclear division, and final stages are called cytokinesis. This cell is called parent cell. On the other hand, these two are called daughter cells. In between, stages are involved and in the middle you can find here chromosomes are present. Chromosomes are duplicated, one change into two. Then the spindle appears. Chromosomes are moving away from each other, separating, and then these two parts are going to separate from each other. In the final stage, two cells are independent. Two daughter cells are present here at the end of this division, so-called mitosis. How mitosis happens, I'm going to show you this animation. As a result, you will get clear about the division of mitosis. Let's see this one. Different phases of mitosis are shown here. The first one, prophase. The other one is metaphase. The next is anaphase, and finally telophase. See this video. Inside the nucleus, some changes are happening. Nuclear material is going to mix with each other, prophase, chromatin, chromosomes in the shape of X, duplicating means making similar kinds of chromosomes. One chromosome divided into two, same size, same characters. Then with the passage of time, new stage arises. You can see chromosomes and finally these chromosomes will separate from each other and they will go to the extreme of the cell. In the coming stage you will see that chromosomes are moving away. Yes, these two are duplicated, I mean same, but moving away from each other, which means moving toward the daughter cell. See the movement, moving toward the spindle, extreme. Then what happened? Telophase, the next. This portion is separate now, having the same chromosomes as present in the parent cell, but this time rather than one there are two cells. And final stage arrived, cytokinins. These stages explain how in animals one cell change into two daughter cells by mitosis. Same you can see in the plants. A plant cell, a wall is going to appear. It will cut into two. This is also mitosis in the plant cell. A cell change into two and it will result in the growth of the plant as well as animals. Student, it is very much clear now that we are growing day by day, plants are growing day by day due to the division of the cells. As we are made up of cells, we are growing, we are living, and it is due to the type of the division. The name of that division is mitosis. I think it is very much clear to you. See you in the next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.